Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone, and this is Lois's equipment from VA, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool cordless telephone. Now we have a note with this unit, and it has a transmit issue, so we want to troubleshoot the main PC board of the handset, and I want to go ahead and show you the inside of one of these units if you've never seen the main PC board. So that gives you a look at this unit, and we want to get a start on this unit. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And there is an issue. This is a cordless telephone, and the handset and base unit interchange frequencies, and that RF power can interfere with an open amplifier, and we'll try to show that to you in the final checkout. Now what we can do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. We'll go ahead and let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to dial our numbers out. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now we can go ahead and give you some dial tone, and we'll show you the interference that we're talking about. We want to dial a 2. That will cause the dial tone to go away. We'll go ahead and hang our handset up. And that is the radio frequency, or the RF power, that will interfere with an amplifier. So if you hear any of that noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the RF power. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we can make that call.
To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Friday, September 21st. The current time, 5:12 p.m. and the temperature, 72 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Lois and they can enjoy this cordless telephone once again. Now this was a really good cordless telephone. People really liked them, and they no longer make this model. If you can even find one used, they get really expensive, and a lot of times they might need to be repaired also. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.